Hello friends, today we learn how to make Keema making machine easy at home. For making this project we need some components: washing machine motor, 2 wheels or pulley, 1 wheel size is large and second wheel size is small, belt, Keema machine, 10 microfarad capacitor, on-off button, some wires, mini wood stand. Now start to make. Adjust washing machine motor on table with the help of screw and clips. Now adjust Keema machine on table, like this. Now adjust small wheel on washing machine motor. Now adjust large wheel on Keema machine motor, like this. Finally connect belt with both wheels, like this. Project is ready for your test. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, so please tell in comments. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.